Hi, myself Dr. Murali Krishna Kadali, consultant physician, Medicover Hospitals, Srikakulam. Today we are going to discuss about the food contamination related illnesses, that is food poisonings. So most of us like to have street food. So what are the things you have to particularly check at the place you are having the street side food? First thing you have to check is the environment of the food place. So whether the hygiene is being maintained or not, any flies are flying over the food or not, you have to check it. And next you have to check for the hygiene of the vendor himself, whether he is using his hand gloves, face mask and also hair caps or not. And also the food which is being stored in hygienic conditions, whether the storage is neat or not, you have to check it. And also you have to inquire about the during the preparation process, all the ingredients that are being used in the food are well maintained and hygienic or not. And these are the things you have to keep in mind while you are having street side food. So what are the problems we face if you have consumed the poisonous or contaminated food? So after consuming your food, maybe after you will be perfectly all right for almost half an hour to 2 hours. But after that, whenever your contaminated food, that it may be contaminated by bacteria, viruses or fungal or parasites, these are the 4 things in your contaminated food. Whenever these contaminated food enter into your stomach, it causes some gastric irritation, which will lead to the vomitings. So vomitings will be followed by your abdominal cramps and also pain in the abdomen, which may be followed by your loose watery stools. If the infection load is too much, sometimes there may be blood in your stools. We call it as dysentery. And also due to the loss of more amount of fluids in your loose stools, the patient may be having a generalized weakness, and also decision making capacity may be altered, or the patient may be in confused state or in a very drowsy state, or sometimes there may be blurring of the vision and also generalized weakness, body pains, and followed by the fever. So these are all the symptoms which could be related to your contaminated food. Okay, so what are the things you have to check? What are the precautions you have to take in these conditions? Whenever you are supposed to take a food from your street, you have to check for the hygiene of the place and also hygiene of the vendor, and also check if the food is freshly prepared or the storage conditions of the already prepared food is hygienic or not. These are all the symptoms, and you have to take care of these particular points while you are having a food in the street. Thank you.